graduation. Congratulations, everyone!
Ang saya-saya ng moment na to, pero at the same time, nakakaiyak siya kasi napaka-surreal nung moment. Tapos habang naglalakad ako, kinukuha ko yung diploma ko sa stage. Parang bumalik lahat sa akin, lahat ng pinagdaanan ko for the last 2 years. Who would have thought na I have this kind of strength in me to really just get out of my comfort zone and just to embrace the uncertainty. I mean, hindi siya madali dahil nag-aaral ako, nagtatrabaho ko, and I'm a mother. So, pinagsasabay-sabay ko talaga lahat. And there are times and nights na umiiyak ako kasi gusto mo pang gawin, but then your body doesn't feel it right anymore. Pero sige lang, go lang ng go. I'm so excited for this new beginning. Inaalay ko ang tagumpay na to unang-una kay God, sa aking nanay at sa aking sister na si Vien. At syempre sa aking 3 chikiting, kayo ang aking inspirasyon. Kaya kinakaya ni Mama ang lahat. And this is also for you, baby. Thank you for staying by my side. And we did it! Salamat din sa aking pamilya at sa aking mga kaibigan for your love and support.
Millet corn.
Nahipo na pala. There's a refreshment after. Ayan. Tapos na kami.
Sino mo siya?